Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust headlights on a Toyota Tundra. Start by parking on level ground and setting the parking brake, then clear cargo so the truck sits normally. Measure the distance to a flat wall about 25 feet away and mark the center of each headlight beam with masking tape. This prep ensures accurate alignment and prevents glare for other drivers, making the adjustment quick and reliable. With the hood open, look behind each headlight for two adjustment screws labeled vertical and horizontal. Use a flashlight if needed and consult the owner manual to confirm locations. Gently test the screws to determine which moves the beam up, down, left, or right so you don't force anything. Keep a rag nearby to wipe the lens, then you're ready to fine-tune each headlight for proper aim and safety. If this guide is helping you out, please subscribe and like the video to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean cabin scent after a long day of wrenching. It pairs perfectly with post-maintenance comfort. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick one up, then stick around because now let's get back to the video. Turn on low beams and cover one headlight while you adjust the other so the beam lines up with your tape marks. Begin with horizontal alignment until the beam center matches the vertical tape, then adjust vertical so the top of the bright area sits at or just below the tape line. Repeat for the other headlight, then test by driving on a dark road to ensure proper spread and no oncoming glare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.